Hello my friends, my name is Milan and here we are gonna start with our Java programming full course, and I hope that you will like it. Now we will start. First we need to install necessary programs, and now we will start with it. Okay, first we're going to download Java Development Kit. Let me find it. JDK 8. It is recommended to use 64-bit. JDK 8, it's okay for our course. If you want, you can use 11 or later. But JDK 8 should be enough, but it is highly recommended to use 64-bit. You can use 32, but for core Java it's okay. But later, when we use other frameworks, it will better to use 64-bit. Now let me find Firehorse. It's okay. I will download it from here. You can go download it from Oracle, but here in the Firehorse we don't need to register or some other things. We can simply download the program that we want. Okay. Now free download. Okay, let us save to our download folder, or you can save whenever you want, but just remember the place where you download the file, and let's save and download with start. Now what we need else, we need to download Eclipse. Okay, we will go to the Eclipse site. Here you see the last Eclipse working with 64-bit, and if you want to if your Windows is 32-bit, you need to, if you want to work in the 32-bit version of Windows, you need to download the oldest version of Eclipse. I think that the last version that supports 32-bit operating system is 2018-09. I'm not sure, but I think that is the last version that support 32-bit operating system. Okay, we will download. I think that we don't need to register here or some other things. Let me check. Okay, go to the download. Let us save. Okay, and now we have programs downloading. I will pause the video and I will wait to download to complete, and we will continue our installation. Okay, as you can see, our programs are downloaded and we can continue our video. But before I continue, I want to explain better for users that want to use, at least for this tutorial, 32-bit installation. You need to find Eclipse 32-bit download. Just a second, and let me check. It is slow a little, but okay. This is I think this is the last Eclipse version that work with Windows 32-bit. Okay, and if you want to work with 32-bit system, you need to install Eclipse from here. This is the version that you need. Also, if you work with 32-bit version of operating system, Windows, you need JDK 8 32-bit download. Let me see. Okay. Just wait to open. Some kind of problem. It looks that my internet is not very good today. Let me check once again. Okay, this is you will download this if you are using 32-bit version. I will not download this because I already downloaded 64-bit Eclipse and 64-bit JDK. You will download 32-bit version if you are using 32-bit version of Windows. I hope that you understand me and we can continue with our installation. Okay, let us open the download folder. First we will going to install JDK. Okay, we click yes. And we are waiting. Next. Next. And now we are waiting installation. It can take a while, but we need to be patient. I apologize if my English is not so good, but I really hope that you can understand me what I'm doing, and I think my English will improve a little during these tutorials. Okay. License, okay. Destination for C, program files, Java. Okay, that's good for me. Now still waiting. Okay. Now installation is completed and we will click close. Okay, but before we install Eclipse, we need to do one more thing. Now I will show you. We need to go to my computer. Here, my computer. We need to go to the properties. We are going to advanced system settings. And we are click on environment variables. We need, okay, we have a path. We need to create our first variable, but we need to see the folder where Java is installed. I'm going to C and program files where I installed my Java, and we have here JDK and JRE installed, Java Development Kit and Java Runtime Environment. Okay, first we are going to Java Runtime and we will just open this file, and we will right click any file, properties, and location. We will just select this and copy. Now we come back to our variable. We will make new one. We will call it Java Home, and value we will just paste our what we selected. Okay, C program files Java. Okay, that's nice. We will just click OK, and now we have our new variable, and we need a path, but we need now JDK. We need to go where we installed our Java, and now we will we need JDK. We will open it. We will open a bin folder, and we will select any of these icons, right click, properties, and we will select location, C program files Java, JDK and bin. We will select this, just a moment. Okay, we will click copy, and we need a path. We need a path. We already have a path, and we need to edit. We will simply delete this, and we will paste our location folder. This is okay. We will click OK, 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 and we will close this, what we don't need anymore. And we need to check now if everything was okay. We need to go to our command prompt. We will type cmd. We will open our command line, and first we need to type Java. Okay. When you see this whole text, it looks that Java is installed properly, but we need one more thing. We need to type like this, Java or Java as you want, but you need to type as you need a C. Okay, and we will click enter, and when you see this text, it looks that everything is okay. If you see Java or Java's not recognized, it looks that something was not good, and you need to to try to install it again, but I think that shouldn't be any kind of problem. This is complete. Just if you have problem, you can type a comment, or you can watch the video again and to see and to check if you made some kind of error or you forgot to do some step. We are now close this command line and we can install our Eclipse program. We go to the downloads folder again. We already installed our JDK and JRE. Now we need to install Eclipse. Okay, we will wait, run. We need to wait a little. Okay. Oh, what we have here. We need to select which one want to install. We have some versions, but I think for this tutorial and it is better to install Eclipse IDE for Enterprise Java developers. We'll click on it. Program files. We will left everything default and we will just install it. Okay, let me check this. Accept. And now we will wait our installation. I hope it will not be too long, but we will see. We will wait because we need to be patient. Just a moment. Review and accept licenses. Okay, we will accept. In most cases, the most difficult thing could be installation, but we need to complete that in order to make everything works fine, and we will start coding. We have a lot exercises and examples to do. Artifact download is progressing very slowly. But I will not cut this video. We will wait to you can see all steps of the installation, and I hope everything will be okay. This is first time for me to install this version. I already worked with previous versions of Eclipse, but I think that should not be any problem. They couldn't change it a lot for 6 months. I think last version that I used is 2019 from 6th month. Yes, 06 is the version that I used, but now we will try newer one. Okay, but until we wait. Okay, I wanted to pause this video, but I think that should not be taking too long. Let us wait. I think that it should be quickly. But I think it was a little faster than with the previous version. But I want to work with a new one to explore, because you know that programs always are couple of months or every year are updating, and we want to try new things. But in this moment I will pause the video, and when installation is complete or are going to the next step, we will gonna continue. Okay, and finally we have here now it asks us to do you trust these certificates? We will click yes, and we will just accept selected. But it took a long time for this installation. I don't know, maybe it will be faster in your case, but I waited almost 20-30 minutes. But okay, we will continue now. Accept selected, and I hope it will be faster now. Okay, finally installation is completed, and we will click, we can launch this to see new Eclipse. It is first time for me to use this version, but I hope it will be nice. Okay, select directories of workspace, and I usually use default. I'm not changing anything, but you can remember the folder where will Eclipse will created, and it is the place where will be all projects that we will do here, but we will do a lot. It is just important for you to remember this place, nothing else. And we will click launch. We will launch this, and we will wait for Eclipse to open. Okay, let me see this better. I'm not interested in any of this. We just need to go to our workbench. Okay, this is our Eclipse. We have some options here. Create a Maven, but we will not create Maven because we need simple Java project. We have two perspectives here, Java AA, and it's perspective for Java. We don't need Java AA now. We will need it later when we are creating web applications. Maybe we could install a simple Java tool, but it is better to we installed Java AA now, because we need it for later. Let us click to simplify this. Let us click on File, New. We need new Java project. Here I don't see this. Let's click on the other. No, here is the project. project and Java project. It is a simple Java project without, you can see we have a Gradle, Java, Java AA, JavaScript, JPA, but all of this will come later. For now we need a simple Java project. Let us click next. Project name, okay, we'll call it first project. We will click finish. Let me see the library. The library we can check later. Let us just click finish. Yes, we will open perspective, and as you can see, it is our perspective for simple Java projects. We can go back to Java AA. We will use it later when we are creating more complex Java web applications. But when now in this course, in these tutorials, we will make only simple Java applications, and we will go to Java. Okay, we have our first project. Okay, library set 1.8. We install it earlier, and we have our source folder. Okay, in our source folder, first thing that we need to do is create a class. No class, package. First is package. We call it test package. Important thing to remember is that name of the package start with lowercase. It's for now. We will click finish. Our test package is created. It's empty. Now in our test package we need to create a class. New, right click, new, and we'll click class. Okay, we can give any name of the class. We will call it simple test. Test class. Important thing to remember, name of the class starting with uppercase. And in this class we need to create main method. You will understand just a couple of seconds. We need to click finish now. Okay, this is our first class. Okay, as you can see, we have here name of the package. It is a test package that we made earlier, and it is our test class. And this public static void, it is a method, it is a main method that we created with our class. And now to run simple hello world program, we need to write this. Now I will type system out print line semicolon to the end, and need to this system out print line is printing order, printing command as you wish, and inside we need to write something. Whatever we write, it will appears in our compiler. Now let us type some. We will write simple hello world. Every first application in every program is Hello World, and we will not make any kind of exception, but let us start. I will type Hello World. When we type something and we want to run, first thing that we need to, before we run, first need that we need to do is to save. We have two options. I will show you. We can save here. Right click and save. But I not recommend you can use it, but it is easier. Okay, let us delete something and I will write again. Now we need to save it again. To save it is easier to use Ctrl and S, as you can see, and we saved. Now we can run. We can two options for run. I will show you. We can right click and run as Java application, and you can see in our compiler we have Hello World. It is our first application, and let me show you another way. Another way for run is here, run test class. It is a name of our class. We just press here and Hello World, you can see. Now we can expand this. We will type Hello World of Java, Ctrl S, and we will run it again. As you can see, Hello World of Java. Whatever we type inside our printing command, it will appear in our compiler when we run it. I hope that you understand this well. If you are not, you can watch the video again, and also you can write comment if you have some kind of problem, and I will give you the link of my Instagram account, and you can follow me and write me there if you have any question of any kind of problem. This application is only for beginning, and in our next videos we will do some more complex things about Java. And just to tell you, in these tutorials we will be focused on the beginning on the Java, but later we will work with databases, MySQL, Hibernate, Framework, Spring, but it will all come later. We will make tutorials of some other languages also, but Java is our primary goal. Okay, I hope that you like video. If you are interested in next Java tutorials in my videos, if you are interested, you can subscribe on my channel, and you can also follow me on Instagram. Okay, see you in the next video, and thank you.